As we know that planning is a thinking process to make strategies so that the desired task could be done in most efficient way. But it requires time, effort, and if it is for a large industry, organization, it requires money also. So why the planning is important? What is need of it? In this tutorial, you are going to understand this in general and industrial point of view. So very first reason is uncertainty. As we know that the future is full of uncertainty. We are experiencing present, we have gone through the past, but the future is unknown, uncertain. If we think about any industry or any factory where a product is made for a uncertain price by using raw materials of certain cost, so we can reduce that uncertainty by proper planning. Therefore, planning is important and we need it. And of course, we need it to achieve goal in most efficient way, that is maximum output with minimum input. And proper planning helps us to achieve growth. There are numbers of resistance in the environment. We can overcome all them by proper planning and grow. Also, we know that invention and innovation is must for the development. Planning gives us opportunity for invention, innovation. That is why we need it, and that is why it is so important. The decisions made by us at present defines our future, and making a right decision is not an easy task. Planning provides us opportunity to judge different alternative solutions and make different feasible solutions, and by comparing them provides us an optimal solution best for us. Let us think about a factory. The quality of output product depends upon the different decisions made by management, whether it is during selection of raw material or during selection of machineries, selection of alternative processes, and finding out optimal process out of them. Now let us discuss some points specifically from industrial point of view. And first need comes is to determine the resources required. In industry, we need different resources like main material, machinery, equipment, money, etc. And planning gives us answer for the questions like what, how much, and when the resources will be required for the industry. And because of that, planning is the first managerial function. To manage any industry, we need a proper planning. Since management is the combination of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. So without planning, it will be very difficult for management to direct, to organize, or to control. Hence, we can say that efficiency of any management largely depends upon the planning. Now, we know that an industry grows in a competitive environment. So, proper plan is a must to survive in this environment and grow. Since environment is varying in nature, it changes time to time. The type of customer, the demand, the policies by the government, technology, etc. And to deal with this varying environment, better planning, a proper planning is a must. These are all points because of which we need planning, and planning is important. This is Harish Kumar Patel, and you're watching this tutorial on your e-studies. Stay on this channel for more knowledgeable content. Thank you.